What is the permissible level of noise in a silent zone at daytime? 75 dB. Which is India's oldest iron and steel plant? TISCO at Jamshedpur. Which planet looks reddish in the night sky? Mars. Which vitamin is considered to be a hormone? Vitamin D. When was the Reserve Bank of India taken over by the government? In 1948. What is the principal reason for the formation of metamorphic rocks? Extreme heat and pressure. Who was the first person to cross the Alps with army? Hannibal. Which state has the largest number of salt lakes in India? Rajasthan. The UNESCO declared 2011 as which international year? International Year of Chemistry. Which animals have a diet mainly consisting of bamboo? Red pandas. Which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Coimbatore. Which language was used in the literature of Sangam period? Tamil. What is the wavelength of visible spectrum? 3900 to 7600 A. Leukemia or blood cancer is characterized by abnormal increase of which cells? White blood cells. Which is a landlocked country? Zimbabwe. Sufi Kalam, a type of devotional music, is the characteristic of which state? Kashmir. When is International Human Solidarity Day observed? December 20th. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Pamir Plateau. Equatorial forest of the Amazon basin is known as by which name? Selvas. What is the distance between popping crease and stumps on cricket pitch? 3.5 feet. Which is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors? Liquid sodium. What is the minimum age for being the member of the parliament? 25 years. Which substance does not have a melting point? Glass. Which set of countries are completely surrounded by land? Mongolia, Zambia, Bolivia. The Tibetan river Tsangpo enters India through which state? Arunachal Pradesh.